Alright, what's going on, everybody? This is a trade recap from yesterday, which was the 16th, Thursday, 16th of July. After some bad price action, we finally got a pretty good day. Pretty clean delivery, and yeah, let's just get straight into it. So, going into the day, we have been in sort of low resistance against low resistance conditions. We've got all of these highs up here and all of these lows down here. However, we are in a bit of a sell model on this 4 hour and hourly time frame, seeking all of these low resistance draws down here, and also with ES right now. Oh, come on. We have a SMT at these highs, so even though these are low resistance draws on Nasdaq, we have got an induced bearish SMT at these highs, so I'm not seeking for price to come high. I was leaning a little bit more bearish. In terms of the 4 hourly, we have these draws here. I think this is the this 4 hour market maker sell model. I was looking for this low to get swept, because if we go onto the hourly, it was also an intermediate term low, and this isn't a protected low either, because it didn't sweep anything inside of this gap over here. And then also, if I go onto the lower time frame, we have a data low back here that was induced by some Trump news on Iran, I think it was. So going into the day, I kind of just wanted to see some sort of manipulation higher into some key level, and then strong displacement down to the low. I was anticipating for quite an energetic down lower to these sell side liquidity pools down here. In terms of where price was, so like right before market open, we generated this 30-minute intermediate term high here. So this high nested inside this fair value gap, and there wasn't really many draws higher that I wanted to see price go, because if we're going to go this much further up, I would anticipate the price is going to probably continue going higher rather than looking for a short this session, especially with the big overnight move as well. So yeah, this intermediate term high was kind of a key level for me to see get taken, and then sort of watch a reaction from here. So if we watch price play through, you can clearly see we get, oh, I've gone too far there. So essentially what happens is we take out this intermediate term high here, and then as you can see, we do generate equal highs here, but because of my strong draw on liquidity lower, I wasn't too worried about these getting reswept. And also, if we go on ES, because ES has technically generated a third equal high, this is an SMT, so this candlestick right here has hit the same level as these, and Nasdaq failed to do so. Even though it's not crossing, that is still considered a bearish SMT, internal SMT. And then basically off of that, I look for the most recent inversion, or most recent manipulation leg, and the inversion off that leg. So I know most people would have probably taken this 1 minute. However, if I show you the 15-second, so this high here, this is the one that has the SMT here, and on this new manipulation leg, we created a 15-second fair value gap in here, and then we have a strong momentum candle inverting that, and it doesn't break the internal alert. So I've got strong conviction that this is the candle that's inducing the move. So I ended off of that, risking, I think I risked 6 contracts, 6 micros, and then simply because my draws were so far lower, we had the data low and this terminus, like I wanted to see all of this get swept, but because I'm on this new eval now and I haven't got any of the other accounts, I just got to go for, I've got to hit that consistency and just try and pass the account. So I just went for a fixed 1.5R and basically hit it in like 2 or 3 minutes, and then I think straight after we dumped down to all these lows down here as well. So it was a pretty good day, and unfortunately I don't have the executions on this because I screenshotted this today, but I'll be sure to include that on tomorrow's session. I also forgot to record live as well, which is fine, I'll just do the trade recap instead. But I think if I pull up my Tradeify, we ended up making like 740 on the day, so 1 step closer. A good start to the eval, hopefully get this one passed. gradually, and yeah, we'll see how trading goes tonight. I'll record a trade recap, and yeah, hopefully you guys have a good weekend, and I'll see you in a bit.